Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. We have started Microsoft Word tutorial series in English, and this is its lesson 3 and part 1. In this lesson I am going to discuss about that uses of home tab, our home option, and its subcategory are font, paragraph and style. So in this lecture I am going to show that how we'll use that element in Microsoft Word. So let's start. And if you're new here and also you're a civil engineer, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also stay with us. So first of all, we'll open our previous file. I've shown you that how to create that and how we'll change our setting. Actually, if you are new and if you want to work in advanced level, then you should watch our previous video. I think it will be helpful for you, and also the link are given in description. So I have told you that I will show you about that home tab, okay, about that home option, that how we'll use that option. And it's when you will click here on home, then see that there have some subcategory. It's font, paragraphs and style, and there have editing, okay. And actually this is not associated with that software, Microsoft Office. I have just installed that for my grammatical check, and after that it's here, okay. So first of all I will start from one side, so I'll just delete that. Suppose if I delete that, just Ctrl A and delete. Now suppose this is a line, okay. Here is a line and here is a line. Now I'll just modify that by using that category, okay. Now first of all, if I show that this is the font, okay. So suppose if I want to that, if I want to change that font style, just click here, okay, just click here and come here. Now which types of font you want to use here, they have huge category, okay. From here just you have to select that. Suppose I want to use that font, just see here, it will be like that, okay. So and also you'll see here in that tab which font you are using, you'll see here. Now here suppose you want to make your font like that, so your font will be, if I zoom that by clicking here, just see here, okay. So again if you go here, suppose Arial black, just click, sorry, Ctrl Z, just you have to select that, just left click and move your mouse, just select that. After that come here, just here Arial black, like that. About any condition you can just use that, okay, here like that. Just see here, this is your font style. Now I'll again come back here, Calibri, body. So now just see here. Now suppose you need to increase that font size, okay. This is not suitable for your requirement, so you want to increase its font size, okay. So and for zoom in and zoom out, you have to use that option, plus and minus, zoom in and zoom out. So suppose now you want to increase that font, so just at our which part you want to increase, just you have to select that, and from here you'll be able to use that, okay. You'll be able to use that. So about 72 you can zoom it, okay. From here about 72 you can zoom it. But if you think that you need suppose you need a font size that is not available here, just simply just click here and backspace and delete it, and simply write here. Suppose unit 13, just enter, then see here like that. Suppose unit 100, just enter, just see here. Actually you will be able to use it within 72. Okay, but by writing here you can increase your size in any limit. Now suppose this is your font size, okay, and suppose if I provide that font size till 28. Now I just want that that font size and that font size ratio will be same. Okay, that font size and that font size ratio will be same. I will increase or decrease its size. So just they have two tabs. This is the increase font size, and here it is the increase or decrease font size. So if you just click here, just see that your font size will be decreased, but that ratio will be same. Okay, and also if you increase that, your font size will be increased, but its ratio will be same. So in that way we can just use our that two tools. So if I just come here and I'll give a random size. Now suppose you need to blot that. Okay, you need to blot that. So just simply click here, just simply click here, B, just see here, it's a blot. And again if you want to remove that, just simply click here. Now they have a shortcut key, just Ctrl B, see that, Ctrl B again, and Ctrl B, Ctrl B, Ctrl B, like that. After that just you want to make that font in italic form, so just simply click here, italic, see that, again select here. Now suppose you need to underline below that text, so just simply click here, just here. Okay, just simply click here, or otherwise again click here to remove that. Now you need another types of underline. Just see here, they have many types of the double line, the dash. Just see here, they have many types of underline, and also you can get more underline from here. Just clicking here you can get to the more underline. Okay, after that also you can change its color. Suppose if you use red, just see that you will get the red color. So like that you can change it. After that suppose you want to mark some text, or you want to cross some text, just simply click here, just see here, your text will be crossed from here. I mean it's a line above it. So after that suppose if we go in next line, so when we work, I mean when we write for math, or if we want to do anything for math, so they have some important part. Suppose this is the x. Now I want to give 2 in below and above also. I mean x square and x2. I mean I want to identify x1, x2, x3, like that. So just simply click here. Okay, simply click here and then write it 1. Just see here, and again click here, then go next, again give her x, and again simply click here and then give 2. Like that way you can do it. So again click here to out from that command. So just again if I give her x, then just click here 1, then again click on it, then x, then click on it, x square. So like that way you can use that tool. Okay, now what is it actually? So suppose just select the text, and from here you can change its category. Okay, you can change its category. Just see here, in if I go down, just enter, just come here and see that, sorry, we have to select that, just select, and from here just select that shape. Okay, your text shape will be changed. And also from here you can use the color, shadow. They have different types of shadow. Okay, so just see here, they have different types of shadow. It's the 3D view or many thing. Then is the reflection. They have many types of reflection here actually. so you can use that. That's the glow. So from here you can use any of it. Just see here. Okay, so actually in this way you can use that tab. After that, suppose you need to give the background color, back on that text. Just simply come here and give here it, select the color. Okay, just from here, and you can give the color here actually like that. So just simply click here and you will get the color here. And again, if you want to remove that, just select and just come here and no color. Just see that. Now just if you want to change the font color, so I will change that. Just simply click here and from here select any color, and here is the standard color available here. Also you can select any of it, and otherwise you can also change the more color. So from here you can combine your color, and also you can use the custom color at which color you require. Just click any of that font, any of that box, and just from here adjust your color requirement and just press OK. Just see here. So I'll remove color from here automatic. So in this way you can just use that font tab. Okay, I think it's okay to you. Our video are already being very lengthy, so in our next video I'll show you that how we'll use our paragraph tab and also a style tab. This is actually when we work we use that tabs. This is the most important tab that are required, so I will explain about every tabs in details. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video, and if you're a civil engineer, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update every first. And also like our video, share our video. Don't forget to leave a comment, because your own comment is inspires for the next work.